Put mothballs in the lime and you'll thank me. It's really amazing. Let's start by adding a lemon and also 500 milliliters of water in a blender. Then we will cover and leave, beating until completely crush the lime. This tip is ideal for use mainly by the acidity contained in the lime, acting directly in the removal of dirt and stains. Now we will also use naphthalene, being ideal to put on a cloth and also cover. To make it easier to use, we will use a hammer and then beat until completely crushed, thus bringing the whole effect of naphthalene to the mixture. I'm sure you've never used lemon and naphthalene this way. Now in a container with the help of a sieve, we will put only the liquid we beat in the blender. Next, we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda, being ideal for this mixture for its alkaline effect. We must then mix very well. Now we will also add 150 milliliters of vinegar, causing an effervescent effect in contact with lemon and baking soda, facilitating the removal of stains. We will mix again, and we will already be in the final process of our tip. Now to finish, let's add the naphthalene we prepared earlier. With this, when mixing one last time, we will have our tip ready. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Karen Gommel from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. For use, we will use a bottle, thus facilitating the storage and also the application of the mixture. We will also use a funnel to avoid wasting the mixture. My visitors always ask me about this mixture that I use in cleaning my bathroom. The ideal to help in the use of this tip is also to make a hole in the bottle cap. For use, it is simple. Just applying a small amount. We have already managed to perform complete cleaning of the toilet. To ensure cleaning, I am also using a brush. I'm sure you will be surprised by the cleaning using this mixture, much better than all the products sold in the markets. After using in your home, come back here to tell me what was the result. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.